something. Alexa, Natalie's room blue.
Natalie, Killian's doing something in your bedroom.
No!
Something very bad.
What are you doing?
Playing with the fan.
Wait, what was he doing?
Playing with the ceiling fan, bro.
What did you do to my fan?
Nothing.
No.
I'm filming a freaking video. You just ruined it all.
I don't care. I don't care. Don't you dare break my fan.
Natalie.
I'm not. I'm an expert at this.
Please. Be careful.
Fixing it. Putting it back how it was
I
before.
got you. You know you're doing something wrong.
Thank you for watching, and bye. Ignore that.